In order to schedule Instagram Reels, you can use Instagram's inbuilt scheduling feature or use third-party tools. And here's a step-by-step guide. First of all, you need to schedule Reels using your Instagram's built-in feature. For that, you need to split your Instagram account to professional account. So go to Instagram and log into your account. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right. And there you will see the option of Business Tools and Controls. Tap on it. From this page, scroll down and then switch your account type to Professional account. You can also download the Meta Business Suite app or visit the business.facebook.com and link your Instagram account if you haven't done already. So go to your web browser and then go to business.facebook.com and log into your account. Once you're in the Meta Business Suite, go to Post and Reels and select Create Reel. Tap on the Create Reel option that is between Create Ad and Create Story option. Tap on it. Now on this page, upload your video, write a caption and add hashtags, set the desired date and time for posting, and you can go to the Planner tab in the Meta Business Suite to view or edit your scheduled reels. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.